Selection tools. Selection tools are used to select an image or any part of it to perform editing operations. There are various selection tools in Photoshop. There are 3 types of selection tools in Photoshop CC. Mark You tool, Lasso tool, Quick Selection tool. Mark You tool. This tool is used to select an image or part of it in a rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape. 4 types of Mark You tools are available in Photoshop. Rectangular Mark You tool. It allows us to select the portion of an image in a rectangular or square shape. Elliptical Mark You tool. It allows us to select the portion of an image in an elliptical or circle shape. Single row Mark You tool. It allows us to select a single row of pixels in an image. Single column Mark You tool. It allows us to select a single column of pixels in an image. To use Mark You tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image in Photoshop. Step 2. Click on the arrow at the right bottom corner of Mark You selection tools and select the required Mark You tool. Step 3. Place the cursor on the image. Click and hold the left mouse button and then drag out a Mark You to select the required part of the picture. We will notice that a dashed border has covered the selected object. Lasso tool. The lasso tool is a bunch of 3 useful tools used for selecting oddly shapes. Lasso tool. It is a freehand drawing selection tool. Polygonal lasso tool. It allows us to click points around the image to create the selection. Magnetic lasso tool. It allows us to select an object by tracing its outline or selecting the areas which has complex edges. To select a part of the image using lasso tools, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open any image. Click on the tiny black triangle on the lasso tool button or right-click the button. After a while, a list of 3 types of lasso tools will appear. Step 2. Select the required tool from the list. It selects an irregular area of an image. Step 3. Click once on any part of the image. Drag the mouse around the part of the image which is to be selected. Release the mouse at the end point. Step 4. To close the selection, click either on the beginning point. We will see the cursor change. We are on it. Or just double-click. Quick Selection tool. This tool is used for quick selection. 2 types of quick selection tools are available in Photoshop. Quick Selection tool. It is used to make quick selections over the image. As we drag and click the mouse over the image, the selection expands outward and finds and follows the defined edges in the image automatically. To use Quick Selection tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open an image. Step 2. Click on the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the Quick Selection tool. A list of 2 tools will appear. Step 3. Click on the Quick Selection tool. The shape of the cursor changes to a round brush tip. Step 4. Drag and click the mouse over the part of the image to be selected. Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool is used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. It works best on solid color background. When using this tool, we can also set various options for specifying the exact selection in the options bar. These options include tolerance. This option determines how closely the doors should be matched. Anti-aliased. This option lets us define a smooth edge for the selection. Contagious. This option lets us select only adjacent areas that share the same colors. To use Magic Wand tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Magic Wand tool. Step 2. Set the tolerance, anti-aliased and contagious options in the options bar. Step 3. Click on the color that we want to select in the image. All the contagious areas having the similar color get selected.